Hi, I'm Steve Friedman with Rockstar Excel. Sometimes I see articles on how to convert Excel files to PDFs, which tend to be advertorials for some worthless third-party software. Please don't buy software to convert your Excel files to PDF. Excel already does this, and it takes about 3 seconds. This is the file from my Excel Can Do Research For You video. I'll show you how to convert this to a PDF. All you have to do is go to the File menu, click Export, and click Create PDF. And then click Publish, and then you're done. That's it. That's all you have to do. This will probably be the shortest video I ever make. Please like and subscribe, and check out rockstarexcel.com, where you can sign up for our newsletter for tips on using Excel to make your life easier, submit questions for a future video, see our upcoming classes, and book a free consultation to learn how we can save you time and money. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned so we can help make you an Excel rockstar.